Howdy, this is Chad. I'm out mowed the yard today and did some little work around the yard. Now I'll get to play a little bit. What I have right here is my RC Volcano XPX Pro. My wife got that for me for Christmas a couple of years ago. I'm loving every minute of it. Found out something today that was pretty cool. The torque on this thing. If you can see this tire right here, it's going to be kind of noisy because of the motor. It's a electric version, but see if you can see this tire spin out. When it spins, it goes from being flat to really moved down. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that. It's actually changing the shape of the actual tire, which is pretty cool in and of itself. Then I get to drive it around a little bit. Can't even drive at full speed hardly. Yes, I know my back tire is broken, so I don't need to hear anybody about that. I'm a novice, can you tell? Trying to drive and shoot at the same time. Got stuck in my hole. So that's just a little bit of it. Thanks a lot. See you later.